Hi, my name is Keith and I run Startup Sales Mastery. I run Co-Founder Club and I work with many different early stage startups and I help them get customers. I let the other guys do the funding. I want to clarify that right now. I focus on customers, growth, sales, and building sales teams. And if you're looking at this video, you're probably expecting a huge big sales presentation where at the end I go to sell you something. And look, at the end of the day, if you're worried about being sold, and you know what? Go somewhere else. I'm in the business of helping people. I'm in the business of helping them develop and build their dreams. And this is where I come. This is what I do. And I'll be honest, I usually charge a couple of $1,000 if you want to work with me. So what exactly do I do for that couple of $1,000? Well, the first thing that I have to do is I have to create what we call in the industry a startup sales playbook. Sales playbook. Sales playbook. A sales playbook is effectively an instruction guide, a document that shows this is my product and this is how I sell my product. It has everything from the company vision to the customer personas, to why the customers need what you have, to your product, to the pain points and the benefits and how we solve them, and then the sales strategies and the sales flows and the campaigns and everything in it. So for example, we have lots of different customer personas that could have many different problems. You can see it on the board behind me. And we are going to choose one customer persona and one problem. And then once we have that, we're going to put them into a campaign, either a cold call campaign where we're going to go online and we're going to get leads and put them into our CRM and call them and then get quotes, or we're going to do standard marketing campaigns where we're going to go on social media into landing pages, call to actions, getting their emails, pushing them into sales pages, trying to get them into a customer, and of course an email autoresponder so that we can keep pushing them to those sales pages. Now there's lots of different other campaigns, but I just wanted to give across what we actually do. Now if you run this, these are campaigns. Without that sales book, here's what's going to happen. The same thing that's happening in your businesses right now. Very, very little is going to happen. You need what's underneath. You need the foundations. You need that specifics. We can run 6, 7 different campaigns, but each campaign has got to be based on the rules, the same rules that the biggest companies in the world work with. So this is a sales playbook. And yes, I'm not going to lie, it's a couple $1,000s. It costs money. Now, I've gotten actually that down to $200, okay, because you're getting a mini version of it. I'm not working with the big corporates right now, so I'm just giving you a scaled down version of this is actually what you need in order for this to become effective. Is that enough for people? I thought to myself, how can I give them even more? And then I thought, you know what? I'm going to give them a Facebook group. And this Facebook group is going to be open all the time. And you just ask the questions you need to ask me or my team, and we will just go in and answer those questions. Today, tomorrow, next week, next month. You know what? It's unlimited. You're in there. That's it. And I thought to myself, you know, $100 seems reasonable, $97. But I thought, how could I make this even better? You know, if I'm giving you a group, why don't we do weekly webinars? I do webinars all the time. So let's give you a weekly webinar and let's put it, I don't know, $97. 97 seems like a good number. So we're going to answer your questions, not just written, but we can have the conversation, the two-way back and forth, and really, really see how that's going. And I thought to myself, is that really enough to guarantee that every early stage startup that actually comes in, every tech guy, is this enough for them? And I thought, you know what? Maybe we'd need to have a chat with them. And again, normally I charge a couple of $100s for this service simply because I don't have the time to do it. But you know what? I thought to myself, why not have 30 minutes? Now, this is totally limited. Okay, so I would get in on this right here, right now, fast, but I'm going to give you 30 minutes for $97. Okay, that's stupid. Okay, 30 minutes, $97, what we can actually get from our time. And then I thought I'd go a little bit nuts, okay? Because I'm guessing if you're watching this, you're probably ready to click on the link below if you've actually come this far. But you know what? I'm just going to give you the whole thing at $47. And the reason I'm going to give you the whole thing, breathe for a second. Yes, $47 for the whole thing, okay? Not the $500 it's supposed to cost, $488. Actually, we've calculated on the button. But I'm going to give it to you at $47. The reason I'm going to give it $47 is I just want you to click the link right now. Okay, just click the link right now. Come, let me show you how to build, grow your company. Okay, join me, join my team. Ridiculous offer, and let me just help. I really want to help you. I really want to show you how we build real campaigns. And again, I don't have the time to spend a week with you, so here's your choice. You've got three choices. Okay, go off and waste the rest of your time. Come on, $48 is a waste. If you have a real business, okay, every hour is worth a lot more than $48. 47, I keep getting mixed up. 47 is even less. And it's less. It's so go find another few solutions if you don't value your time, or go off and pay thousands and thousands of dollars with consultants just like me, because hey, that's what I charge. That's what it's going to cost to work with me. Or for $47 right here, right now, in the next couple of days, we're going to build the ultimate campaigns for you. We're going to show you how to take what you have existing and actually run that into getting perfect campaigns, which really do start bringing in prospects. So click on.